There's always excitement about snowmobiling. The challenges into the completely new territories that makes even the easiest trails into slick and difficult terrain. But with proper preparation, you can have a great time and create a lifelong memories with family and friends.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ray here from MP Trail Group. For today's adventure, we're gonna be trying to catch some snow up in Big Bear, California. Let's go.
This guy, number one.
Number one guy. Disco?
That's it. I give you good price. You put pussy magnet on my car.
Everybody got a fan.
What's up, bro?
You guys took the long route.
It's all good. I was like, we couldn't catch up to you guys. I was like, you know what? I'm taking Maine.
Yeah, you were here first.
Yeah.
After we were done airing down, we decided to play around this little puddle by the trailhead before heading out to the trail.
All right, we're ready. We are now heading up to the Coxey trail. There's nothing much right now here. It's just a little wet, but not even muddy or anything like that. I think where we're gonna encounter snow is probably towards the top. Yeah, we're just hoping that, you know, there's enough for us to have fun and, you know, let the kids play. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, you're gonna see a fork about a couple miles from the trailhead. Turn left following Coxey Trail.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like it's the scene of a crime. The only guilty I find staring back at me in the mirror at night, stuck in place, just waiting for a green light. But I can't lie awake for someone else to say.
We are now in the foresty section. As you can see, the view is starting to change from the desert, high desert, and now we're starting to see more trees, and yeah, we're climbing higher and higher to elevation. And so far it's been pretty cool. All we had so far are mud, and it's actively raining, so hopefully the higher we go, we start seeing some snow. All right, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Some patches of snow up there. I don't know if you guys can see.
For someone else
In the past 3 years, we've been stopping by on this spot with my old crew. And now, we are bringing along new friends with us. This is a great spot to hang out. Despite of the rain and miserable coldness, we're still able to have a great time sharing laughter and positive vibes with people.
We got Vanessa and Mick with this hot soup, so coming clutch today. Yeah, we're just chilling right now. This is the good old spot that we always have. In the past like 4 years now, we always stop by here and cook some stuff. And, now with the newer crew, pretty cool. All right, we're right over here, firing up them grill with a burger. What's up, Mick? Appreciate the soup, brother.
Ah, anytime. I figured that it's freezing. I got more if you want some.
Thanks. Brent, come on, what's up, bud? Playing with sled. It's just a little, it just sucks a little bit because it's actively raining. But yeah, hopefully they can build a snowman. Maya, you remember how to build a snowman? You have to make a circle. Then you gotta keep rolling it until it gets big.
And it's not cold?
What's up, bro?
Put it in my hands.
My gloves got.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You popped him off.
Guy right here. Kuya over here just wearing shorts. Hold on. There you go. That's how you do it. Umbrella and a fucking short shorts.
What's your name?
Look at this guy in his natural habitat. What are you doing, bro?
I'm warming up, man. I'm freezing, bro. I'm freezing.
Oh. What is it? What's the temperature right now?
2
32?
degrees Celsius.
What is that in America?
Like maybe 38.
38. Oh, that's not bad.
It's pretty cold, man.
Just have. Send it. Oh yeah, Subi. Winter wonderland around here. Yeah, a bunch of snow. Hey Ray, do you wanna take that route, man? Cause this route can get shady up top, man. We could probably just like exit. Like go straight instead of turning right.
We decided not to take the 3N12, but instead we continue to 3N16 until we hit the highway. It has been getting dark, and if you're familiar in this area, some section of 3N12 is a north-facing slope with some shelf road, and that's where the road can get complicated and sketchy. 3N16 do have some mud puddles, and sometimes it could get deep at times, but I'll take that over a shelf road on a slippery, icy day.
of fun though, you know? Airing up in the rain. What's up, bro?
Thanks, Wayne.
Yeah, man. What's up, brother? You good? Sir. Everything good?
Yes.
Yeah. You good, boss? How's the Ranger do?
Did well.
Pretty good on the pedals too, huh?
Oh yeah.
Those things are deep. What's up, man?
Oh,
How you doing?
doing well.
How's the kids in the back?
Hey, watching the movie.
Nice and comfy, huh? That's right. What's up, bro? Did you have fun?
Good. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Fun. Yeah.
Hey, man. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of our future adventures.
I just want to thank everyone who came out on this trip. It was such a great time and a memorable trip. Merry Christmas to everybody who's watching. Hope everything is well. Thank you so much for all your support. We are now at 600 subscribers. I appreciate everyone. Stay healthy, and I'll see you guys on our next trip.